Ebusana yama wache ama wo akwaba wo hwen ewo Adom TV so sanso ana wote yenka asempa 94.7 FM. Enne eye mebu so ne de toso aduonu miensa 23rd of May 2020. Enne so yaba na wo twi dwumade se na me da bia de bre wo no aha na ensemo a edika na editie ni a ekira dwen na wo twemu ni nyina no ye gibre don hwere mienu na fe ye ne mpanifo esusu ho esi ginaye ewo saa ensem yi eho bidin edi CJ Forsen meda production team nyina ase afie ye beto aba se ye kasa electoral commission egu ahoboa so se obetro abato akata foforo new voters register ye kasa CI 91 akoto ma sebedafo animu a womo ebetra se na o mahwehwem sensa kire ya ewo mu no womo gitumu a nia broni friend breeder document nia ebeji atum ansa na watimi atro wudin wa abato akata nimu no eye niema document mienu a akwanya baako eka ho ma ne ye miensa se ankoye Ghana card na ankoye Ghana passport a obehia nipa momadi aginamu ana adanse e de amaw ansana watimi atworo wudin ewo abato krata fofora electoral commission eba betro mu anapai asembisa no eye baako pe edise electoral commission omo ye no saa is it justifiable? That is the question. Under justification ye bebisa whether it will be fair to every applicant. Obia no benya sa akwanya no na watimi anya sa niamai ana akwanya miensa eka ho no watimi anya sa akwanya no ansa na ne din akwa abato krata ne mu ana ne tosumienu. The objective of the EC going by these regulation principles obetimi aduru ho butaya ECD esi na nusu se obia din betimi akokrata ne mu no obetimi aduru sa butaye no eho yebekwa ye chikakra na fe yahwe the current voters register yewo kwan ya fa so chekire document a ye hia ye ansana ye din eba the current voter register me kire voter ID card no ekura wo no niema ye je ya ansana udin ekosa abato krata ne mu na fe yahwe the process of registration and then common share down fa abato no ho ankasa specifically name the processes leading to the registration of the voter yebehwe na afa yahwe so bi kura be dia kaginamu amount one ebenya sa akukudro no ade aginamu di amount should the person be a relative ese nipa no yo busuani of course nipa bonfo nso so wo hono a obi wo hono a ye hohwo wonya Ghana ni kura obe pre se ni din ebekọ abato krata nim ye ka passport a nipa dodo sen ene wo bi Ghana card ne nso so NDC amayoko no raise issues wo ho se ye ka say enye obi a ena ne nsa atumi aka Ghana card ni bi anapay mene empanifo esinkonya na ya twetwe ho nkom of course ye bebbo modern nso so ne ahwe sani aman binom te South Africa Nigeria womo so womo fa eye womo niama lawyer ya Boaben Asamoah eye MPP communication director mranim ni kese pa lawyer atnase ye hwe nim se lawyer Sami Jemfi national communication officer of the NDC so ba be kan ye ho na afei ye de nkomatwetwe no ye de ato aso well ye hwe enimu esa lawyer mame mo akwaba some what do that's right on time but that's it well answer ne be shan komotwetwe no asiankasa no yenkohwe nia NDC ni MPP4 eka efa nkoma ya ba betwetwe ho
this realization that first of all less than 2 million people have passports. Most of them have used the passports as bidder documents for NIA cards. And out of the estimated population of 18 million, only 6.5 million of those 18 and above have been issued with cards. And this we see as part of the grand conspiracy between the EC, NIA, and the ruling MPP to disenfranchise over 10 million eligible voters, mostly in NDC strongholds. The issue of lack of consultations with political parties on the proposed CI before it was laid in Parliament is something that cannot be overlooked. The claim, and very recent claim, by the MPP that the proposed CI was discussed at the 25th March IPAC meeting is a concocted barefaced lie, as the matter was neither on the agenda, and I think we have a copy of the agenda. The matter was neither on the agenda of the said IPAC meeting, nor captured in the records of the said meeting as has been discussed. In any case, and this is what makes it most ridiculous and preposterous, the proposed CI was laid in Parliament on the 17th of March 2020, 8 clear days before the 25th of March 2020 IPAC meeting in question. So how then do you say that a CI that has already been laid in Parliament was discussed at the subsequent IPAC meeting? Complete falsehood, and a very unintelligent one at that. But when it comes to identity management, it's not exclusive to Ghana. There are international standards and protocols. So the guarantee for somebody is meant to be the exception rather than the norm. By international protocol, only 5% of people should be guaranteed based on the secondary procedure, that is, people guaranteeing for you. The breeder document, which is the main document you choose, should be a document that majority of the people would have access to. And in this case, it should be the voter's ID card, which has over 16 million people. But you have a situation where, by virtue of the NIA's action, which I'll prove further, you will have over 16 million people, millions of people not being able to have access to the card, and yet that card is your main breeder document. That is not fair. So this idea of somebody can guarantee for you, in any case, from a very practical point of view, if you have to guarantee for 10 people in a very practical way, when the NIA were doing the registration, we all saw what happened. You go, you guarantee for the person, they say wait for the person to go through, because if any information you put out there is not correct and you've left, how would they know? So imagine somebody has gone there, spent a whole day or 2 days, 3 days, and then now he has to wait. All the people he guaranteed for, they must wait. It's going to be chaotic. That also delays the registration process.
If you compare the fact that we have a register which has the names of over 60 million Ghanaians, and you have only 600,000 people who have turned 18 years this year, okay, on grounds of public health, public safety, if we all decide upon consultations and engagements that there is no need for us to take that risk because human lives are irreplaceable, and that it is okay for us to go into these elections with the existing register without a new voters registration exercise, I don't think it will spoil much. Should we, even if we decide to still proceed with a limited registration exercise to register the 600,000 people who have just turned 18 years, you would agree with me that registering 18 million Ghanaians like they are seeking to do within 40 days is not the same and will not involve the same level of risk as registering just 600,000 people.
I believe you must have heard about the South Korean elections. Are you aware that they also registered people? They registered people for their elections. So how did they do their registration? And then in any case, we are bound to have an election on 7th December. How are we going to have the election? We're going to queue. Are we not going to queue? Because in Ghana, we don't have mail voting and we don't have electronic voting. So we will queue. On 7th December, we will queue. There's no two ways about that. In Africa now, as we sit here, in this May, Burundi is having elections. In July, Malawi is having a general elections. In October, Tanzania is going to have elections. Mali had their elections last month. So certainly our elections, and Ghana is the beacon of democracy in Africa. Why should we be sitting aback?
Well, inti amayoko mienu no wamo adwenkyerɛ ɛfa NIA card and a Ghana card any passport akoye the document EC but should the CI the currency Adom Nashibejafo anymore no say wamuji tuma but yambra studio na fe yambesha nkomotwetwe no ase Sami Jemfi National Communication Officer of the NDC Obekansa Sami akwaba that hode won hode nice one. Well, yeah, set it tone and the brew, you would stream, you know, and in as much as possible, because I say, me makwine, me mabre, na afternoon in an omutimi extra or margin. Of course, at the end of the show, no, wow, would see me, wow, share me, you should be able to decide. Baby, ujina, na yetimi akwayanim. But that's someone. Ube boy kakra, the processes leading to the current register you kura ho voters ID card no then ye share ya ntia na akohia say ye yi saa ne ma ni bi free mu na ye dey see akoto emahye budafo mani madam
me das anopai me gidi say o show yes no konkura afi na asimo meboa ana ene ne toso na say moye Moka TV ni
radio ni na bo ma na ye toso Nnawotwe the 8th edition
makomonim mo bodwuma ele abenchia be ba payi la go fodo menchia na bede akire menchia mikuo mpanyimfo chairman general secretary organize omom ka ho nyina chia om nyina sana mempeso aso adenta constituency omada romantina metiha metia constituency ni nyina na afei MPP fo a delegates ombeto me so aba enche ombeto so aba no so metia om pa ya om to ameso so omunti ena me wa ha omunti ena me wa ha adenta minti na me wa ha me da omasipa so mama misa akwanya no na binchi Ghana fo nyina afise sebe Ghana dachi nti na abato sem ewo ho se ebibia na yewo ho a yenkai hu se enhihye ewo ho a yeredi man so se enhihye na yewo mu no enye nna na ewo ho mpenso nyina ebi abapen ya first republic ya second republic ya third republic mfimfim mu ho no yesi binye na sojafo atuagu yesi nye ni atuagu ni aba ni asan akoye chi ni akoye constitution nyame ncha de fourth republic ide adom ye 28 years ti nkeye pa akoye nim 28 years ya ye election no baako enson nti yegitum se aboa ye akoye nim na ye nso a directwe ne de eba mempene yesi say ebi aba emra nso aba enhyehyeye a wa abato ho enso ebi aba sabre num no bibiri aba so atiase bibiri aba na enhyehyeye de to aba ne se register nso yaye bi nye ba ko pani yaye bi yasakire mu akoya nimu a yasakire mu bibia no yenyina faako yasakire mu nti di gina sesei no ni ogidie se yabakosem enti enye nwanwa de yebeye no sesei no nyaade bia sebe enyina eni nyina so se yabakosem mu ana yedaache ewonyina so nti Jerry emeka ko siswa de se de tie bia no 2020 o se to aba to o se to aba ne se ya to aba fourth republic ne daachi no ebeye nwonwan kakra afise emra na ye wo sesei no enhye da ni nhyehyeye bia agitumu se ye nto aba na ye to obi so aban mu ana nipa ne sifo ma ye beye nhyehyeye akono a betimi aso ye nyina ye mu eno nti ehia se to aba na therefore covid and ye nyina hye ka moto bi ena abebumu a nti ama niema aye yi kakra nti kwan ye befa so a ye ne covid betintam na yetimi ato aba mempaibo asema obusa meba ho ba mempaibo pa Ghana fo na mo hwe ye ne mempaibo ne se ebe yakono si ebe kwa akotwere ye din ebe yakono se yebe gi atum se yen na ye daachi ejina ye so na kwan ya ebe bo daachi ne ho ban ne se yebe twere ye din ato aba enu ntibere ne so a yebe kwa akotwere ye din na yetimi ato aba sede ne ye sori kokuro mu no a ye bo ye ho ban no bigidi se ye pia ye nim ye ekoso a ye di ehim ti ye wen ye ho ye hwe ye ho so yie enti eni se abato sem no eda so no ye ntonkoso wen ye ho ye ntonkoso hunu se covid ewo hoyi ye nim ye da ye nim sɛ covid ɛbɛkɔ sɛ enya nkɔɔyɛ yɛnim sɛ yɛbɛtwɛn ama covid akɔ ansa ne ayɛ biribiara no yɛnim bere a ɛbɛto yɛn sɛ 2020 no bɛduru na covid ɛkɔ a na sɛ nkɔɔyɛ sɛ ɛnkɔɔyɛ na wɔsi ɛto aba yi kwan a yɛbɛfa so a yɛbɛtumi ayɛ nhyehyɛeɛ a yɛbɛkɔ yɛn nti saa register yi yɛdi kan paa biometric register yi 2012 ɛne yɛyɛɛ na okayi a MPP foɔ deɛ yɛn fansie ɛbiri biara ne yɛ ne yɛpɛ sɛ yɛsakyera yɛabatoɔ nneɛma mu ne kɔnkan na saa nsakyerɛeɛ no yɛpɛ ne papa mu sɛ bɛyɛ yie na adom yɛ nyinaa nti ansa na 2012 abatoɔ no bɛba no yɛhyɛ aseɛ edidi nkita ho sɛ yɛn nsakyerɛ yɛabatoɔ no a akɔyɛ yɛhwɛ w'anim na wayɛ yi no na obi hwɛ w'anim na ɔde wo mfoni ayɛ no ɔno gyina ne nkosua so no na yɛnkɔ biometric nti yɛde kokromotie afidie agye wo kokromotie 2012 ɛyɛ saa na nneɛma a ECG yɛ wohwɛ public elections registration of voters regulations 2012 CI 72 nneɛma a EC ɛyɛ n'adwuma a mrapɔn no article 45 ɛma EC ho kwan sɛ 45A no compile a voters register constitution deɛ one sentence but compile ɛkwan a ɔbɛfa so a ɔbɛyɛ no no ɔyɛ nhyehyɛe no wɔ CI na ɔde abɛto parliament voting nso duru hɔ a conduct elections ɛno nso wayɛ ho nhyehyɛe na ɔde abɛto parliament nti saa bere no CI 72 no ɔmbusa passport na ne di kan driver's license na ɛtɔ so mmienu national identification card ɛtɔ so mmiɛnsa saa national identification card no saa bere na wɔ sɛ nka NI sɛ ne wɔ hɔ a ɛte aseɛ wɔ sɛ yɛ adwuma national health insurance card na ɛka ho an existing voter identification card na ɛwɔ hɔ ɛna one voter registration identification guarantee form as set out in Form 1 of the schedule that has been completed and signed by 2 registered voters. Na afei wakase F no a obeye voter registration identification no, a registered voter shall not guarantee the identity of more than 5 persons. It is a share way and on the year 2012 register.
Okay. Well, Sammy, my browse, so I'm saying you're 8 minutes, Yako. So now we set the ball rolling. You have issues with NIA card and a passport, electoral commission put it out as breeder document. Of course, there are other options. I'll bet me and Yanko for Mama Vaje amount now Udiako about Kratani. To set the ball rolling, what are the issues?
Medas, the Dikama Menchia, Minia, of Free MPP, Honorable Wabian, someone I mention one one, I'm a pay Wajabre, a hay, which each in the bench in our Fidi cases. A seminar adapt no so media a librism. A librism because a buyer or Tiakonya sui, a year or Mampenia Kufuado, Nin MPP a buying. Or my reata so say about where die nim a few way muno. Or money electoral commission and Jimen Sandano.
You know, Craig.
There's
no basis for this.
You see, omo boss a poboni so mo be wia afiwe abatu mu no CJ enye ne na ye mu bi die na ye nim dada ti ye start kan ho asem say new voters register EC 4 person mo ye ni nyina no eye sa abatu nwie mu no mo person mo wie mu no entia enye bibia ntia because wo hwe ensem wo mo kan ye any nyina so o mo de ma ye say nunti na wase ye new register na no kwasem biye niwa na eto aso ya ka kire omo sa mbere ne se masa obroni say if it is not broken don't fix it ade no sensei ya yenkura no register in print ye wono ye biometric register hote edimu ye de ato abeyo mampanyi Mahama in 2012 ya to abade yo mampanyi Akufo-Addo in 2016 a wadi nkunim by over 1 million votes ya mpaso ye de ato assembly elections in Prensa ye de aye referendum they create 6 new regions a ho amasem dia results wa register we any voters ID card kita no are produced in elections have been held to be legitimate and credible. Abisine obi ani wa odi adanse bia basa register no ho won keka bia enu tie wose yatotwene. Ti ade na wo register wa bokho ka. Infidia ya say Ghana fo sika wo ho. If 2016 besi na nko an ya boss amfidie we won ka $60 million. Enye hwe fie twa mu ya de aye elections ama ye bisa isi for say register na ho tia na ho nti isi for say register na ye credible le ho te papa na ye da sore ya wo say ye ma wo kwan na to register ni nyina to twene mfidia ya boka e de ato ebi ye mfidi mu no thousands of laptops ye ma wo kwan na to ni nyina to twene na ye foforo yes amasa we de ye bro adwen ne nti ase Sebi, oh my God, na ye honso sa. And every coronavirus, ya ho chira, e dia ba beto o manfo so. Na ye be dwen impuntu nyuma ho no. Mo be say $800 million on a register here because you have one which is credible. Ye ka se masa, se afidie kra na ho se aye dada na problem wo mu a. Sebi, wo akoda na yare a. Unfa ba mu akura ni timu nkunu because akura ne yare na wone wo yere akwa akura foforo wo de ne be kwa asopiti amana ya sa ne yare nti se fidie no kra na wo free se timato bi wo mu a yetimi kura ne ma ne yeye ana utimi de dada ne kɔ na de sika kakra soso na wo de agemo no na se mpo di fidie mu no ne ba wo data wo so ye voters register wa fidie no so ne se wo totwene ya kire sa nyema we mu nyina ama 6 political parties PNC, PP, so many political parties. And over 30 credible civil society organizations. Masa, easy for the more can New register na mo pesa mo ye na ye dwen ho ayente ase Imani Africa akabi, Ghana Integrity Initiative akabi, CDD akabi. Credible civil society organizations e wo Ghana he nyina se mo pesa mo ye no. E bo man ne ka e de asembe ba. Emre kra aka from now to the elections, extra for you to attempt to do a new voters register, or they be register over 18 million people. Man, we ya nyema ne bebo bomo so mama ya nyema preka mane di ye nei ayeden aba. Ya ka we nyina isi for so omonti ase. Because omabo pobone so mo be wi abane. Nti yeguso aye twe ho daare because ye de ye sin kete se Ken register na maso ye mo mo hye o my God sika ye mo mo wi abanimu like they are trying to do through the new voter registration exercise ye go so aye twe da re na e na ade a ya ka ho asem wa ka amanfo se ye ni nyina so bi ayeboa ye num ne keka ye nti ne ye kasa kwa no afa de o ma set no emotion their rigging agenda no they've set it in motion. How have they set it in motion? Yet wo coronavirus aba CJ nyina ya dwen wo yare wi so kwan ben ne betumi afa so aboa ama yetimi atu yare yase president Mahama eche PP o che we ye che nuane ye education ye nkora Mensa Electoral Commission akuchire mra foforo e de akomra hye bedwam se omo ba betwere din afi we mu na sa mra no e no mo begina so de atwere din minu ya hye nso se according to Ghana Statistical Service data any easy for one kasa data no Ghana for 18 million no mo ye 18 years and above it is also be new voters register e was a wutwire mu din hye nso biem so say the right to be registered as a voter no lawyer for say inalienable rights
just odoma nkuma nyankopon bo nipa no de adua ni mu di free ni mu enye very universal adult suffrage to hear article 42 a say eye clear so obi adi mfie du nwotwe ene ye kire na na adwe mu dawa he is entitled to be registered. And it's also be a new register and I want your audience will be we abamudia. And yet, and she was some brand new na what ya come na she bedroom. And was say she say I bet massa 18 million in na kwanya amometi my head actually mudi. A BM Shannon so say. Emra ye twe that railway. Easy force your be a new register supported by their spokespersons MPP. Now yes we any civil society organization say entiase. Over 30 years say entiase.
Ah grow bilier.
See you tell me. You call IPAC meeting on the 30th of January. And yet political parties in Kwana na wo. Asofo mpanyufo. If one kasa te futu ko bia ye from eminent advisory committee. Also for penyi Archbishop Duncan Williams kan hu bi. So for penyi Pamabaka kan hu bi. Nkramufo mpanyufo Justice Bishop. And I see for ba ho. Ebe ye presentation ni bi nikita me. Mo say Ghana's election 2020 understanding the need for a new biometric voter management system and the compilation of a new voters register.
2 minutes.
Oh, Mr. And you soon the standard because you gave him time to make a submission. And then you soon the standard name. I mean, yes, I have not made any point. So once you have admitted that we have time,
sure,
my main friend see a seminary pubia, I'm a man for a case so that he can come in. And see, a presentation way to justify their decision to do a new voters register. Now check it, slide 27. Omo ankasa bisa omo hu co-sign say. Ye NDC for ni ebinum ye nenam okasa say EC for be ye new voters register. Card na ekita isisi no. Omo beto atwene. Data omo woni nyina omo beto atwene ntia ye kabo. Na anye bia no sa asem wa ye ka na yampa na nyampa. Eni is the EC discarding all previous data? And omo answer ye no. Nyadia existing voters ID card and only the two abama o mampeni Akufo-Addo winning 2016 by over 1 million votes no. Nyadia omo beto atwene omo be yusu. So omo poto say the EC will use the existing data of voters during the registration of voters into the new voters register. To be registered into the new register, existing voters need to only present their existing voters ID card to the registration officer. Not just a ground rule number 1 is if we catch political parties as of one penny for all stakeholders. Let's say existing voters ID card no nikita ya no. And on the day your banking transactions ni bibiano. They will use it for purposes of registration. Number 2, answer no more dem ra we kono. 2020 budget hearing is if we come na shebedwam. And am na shebedwam fo bi so mo say anye bia registration na mo pese mo ye na fee no. Mo be use Ghana card ya NI for ye ho adwuma. Si je na wo krum a wo kai. Isi for ka say Ghana card de lalai. Because NI for cramp no nwie ye. Nti enya de omo be rely on NI for Ghana card because omo features kro omo pe e de aye voters registration NI card dey be. They told all political parties and the entire country said ye use NI card. Na fiti hana asem ne won. Ye busu aye ka coronavirus one asem mo dem ra komra hye bedwam. Ye ko hwe mra ni mu a. Jimensa ECC new register na omo baba be ye no. Aje se wo nkrata mienu. Anasa mienu ne mu ba akọ. Ansa ne yakase wo ye Ghana ni atwere wudin. De di kan e passport. Yes, passport. Okay, they be ada ya you use passport. But passport no wo kohwe Ministry of Foreign Affairs data. Nipa be 2 million pen e wo passport wo Ghana. 2 million no so nkoda aka ho. Se wo yi nkoda o mo ye below 18 years free mu a, wo be 1.5 million Ghanaians o mo ye 18 years and above o mo wo bi. Nti no ntimi mfa verify nipa ni nyina. Then almost a second card o mo beje. Ya Ghana card yes ye. Ghana card you catch there and say nya dia mo de be ka ho this year registration because NI for nwie won hyehyɛ. Esi dan na mafa sumu ase dia akɔhyɛ. De ti ameka so mafa sumu ase akɔhyɛ mu ne sɛ omo de mra ne kɔ no ma mo political party bi ama ne ya anwe ho ya ni hu komo ya anye hwe. Afi bia so no se ya abato ho mra political parties ni nyina na yetena se yete legal committee in 2012 ye CI 91 legal committee MPP rep Obiamwa NDC rep Hudu Yaya small parties James Kwamna Bonfe ne is in penny for near Yembra de co. Where your mother suma said the co. Yes, and I card, you can say more function. But Moody, okay, yeah, Ghana Ford was saying. And there was a NIA card, maybe a media Baba Diagin, and Musomo Ghana for your true. Yes, I say, almost 6.5 million. That is almost 18 years and above. Because NIA for issue 7 million cars. And that includes almost 15 years, 16 years, 17 years. What's your free more? Or more 18 years and above, 6.5 million. Yes, okay. Data, no such as say, we have 18 million people above 18 years. And 10 million now can. Because all the 1.5 passports, what they become with one, it's just about 7 million. 10 million now can. Or more by your day, no matter the crater, be about some of your gun and yammy actually. Identity and an existing voters ID card. More capture political parties, more documents in civil society organizations, media, some of the back home, more year free. And you know, so be in your mind. And you say, we voters ID card ni free more. And ye because. O person will train you we are self and then you know, we train you pedia. Card ya would j. Now they are yen as what you would. And it was a card ya. Dodo on I then it would be. Card me nipa be 7 million penny will be. But voters ID card in print nipa 16 million in Kitabi. So it is the most available card. Voters ID card is no. And on a Supreme Court in the Abu Ramadan case ruling newaha. Ajia to say it is the best identification card. A bit near the dance say I was we register to be as a voter. What they are not so to China. Voters ID card. And maybe I registration was Ghana 95, 2004, 2012, and even 2019 year Jimen's limited registration. Yeah, used to existing voters ID card. See, so a say and we use our voters ID card. We are not a dodo wobi. A ye papa. Ye dia to Abama or Kufu Adwamana by over 1 million votes. We are no free. Almost yo. School of thought be or say and ye papa. And say voters ID card. Yeah, the man here. And to want to be in a school of thought to so invalidate you voters ID card. Now, almost yo. Uni passport, uni Ghana card ya. Ehona me de besi no. Obi betimi, ubetimi akopa nipa mienu omo Ghana card de passport. Ah, o ma register for the new card. No ma ba be di adanse ama o say oye Ghana ni. Na ya twere wudi. O card ade to abama president Kufu Addo ne de Jimensa se onye. Aje so obi ade agire bu ama. Na hona asem ne wo. Because we are saying sheye mu no, just 2 quick points there. Say wo twere din ya. Card ya wo gina so de atwere nipa de din no. I will say to me verify at least 90 to 95% of the people. The secondary process will be media jinamuma will be no. And only the exception, not the norm. I was saying no to identify just about 5% of the people. In this case, who used to Ghana card the passport wa, just about 40% of the people now will be to identify them. Don't do also what MPP strongholds. What NDC strongholds like Upper East, Upper West, they can one. Oti Savannah no. Okay. So they will rely on the secondary processor, a complex, laborious, slow, cumbersome, into the better disenfranchising. Again, say Obi register or Ghana has said this will be my last point.
Your very last point.
For a voter's ID card. Voter's ID card now, you're the man of and you're valid. Tell me you. So what registration ne? Now you're my card. Card now you're the amount and you're valid. And you're provisional. Until say easy for be a final register, o card make it out, don't even find your share. Or the call bank cry yet. Because we are about to share money, you can't trade in any. Na the nini na kwa good system back so. Na ya exhibition. Na ya the friend who did duplication. Or more match mu di mienu anam yensa na ya yini nyina yeden e de free. Okay. And san ya final register. It is the easy for person mo ye no. Me dey see me born power. Okay. The easy for person mo ye no. See. Oko uni passport uni Ghana card. Now we see obi a wako trade the enya register enya valid enya provisional because the new final register at the time. Ono nko di aginemu ma na odi ko di aginemu ma nipa du. Na ye ko wie ye di duplication ye hu se sa nipa ko no register mienu. Ana we register miensa. Okay. Ni ye ni din free mu e che se sanfo ni nyina no omo ntimi nto aba. This is the rigging machinery and agenda of the NPP and the ECA. And we are saying, say, never will we allow any voters register, based on only Ghana card and passport are available.
Okay.
Add the existing voters ID card. I know you're number one. And some point you about discussing whether or not Ghana needs a new voters register, because as for that one, we still stand by our position. Say we don't need a new voters register, but we will not allow them to disenfranchise millions of people, mostly in NDC strongholds, because some person will have them.
Is it not surprising? So for the first time, of course, most amount of times I announced their submission. For the first time in our voter registration history, voter ID card. A free requirement, lawyer.
Gary. Because say about why two Krumhan. You are back with 2012. You two abani wiye no. Yangi abanantu. New Patriotic Party, MPP. Yangi abanwa you two ye no. Antum. The presidential candidate, the vice presidential nominee, and a chairman of the party, I'm call court, election petition, at the call court. Now, election petition, no. At the say voter registration, na no. Register no, ya de two abano 2012. Register na yede to abano 2012 no. Etochim. Ededi wo court pefe. Se court G election itu mu so watu awie ne enkyere se saa ne ma no ensi. Nti wo ka se court agi atum ti yeto aba na ye legitimate na watia no kura bi so kakra. Nti Jerry o hwe court no ye see court ni bia Afarijan Electoral Commissioner Dr. Afarijan Parliamentary Election Register 13.6 million, Presidential 14.1 million. Any PM kunta PM wo hono no difference na da so no if we hin e buy Afarijan ka say difference ni free amano ne okofa omo aba oba ye no odidin 705 and a bar court edin 705 nko the bar court no na bi wo mu a wasan ye den e dem double na tie the Afarijan kai o say in the words of Dr. Afarijan concerning Ghana's 208 voters register and thereafter. If our population is indeed 22 million, then perhaps 13 million people on our register would be statistically unacceptable by world standards. If that is the case, then it may mean that there is something wrong with our register. The EC chairman appealed thus: all of us as Ghanaians, if we think the figure is not realistic, have a collective responsibility to try to clean the register. Now, say no. The yet if NDC for Jose, 18 million, 17 million, inti NI intimi issue card enrusa, inti intimi nkoto aba abra yen voter register dadano card dadano enko. Free 2012, yasi sa register no emu awrem. Yako ho demonstration, edidi di ho nkomo. Ya ye nhyiamu akese. Civil society ye nhyiamu eyi ankasa electoral commission ankasa eye ho nhyiamu. So okaya crab committee. Yesan ko Alisa Hotel. Na die eha adwen efa sa card no ho. Voter registration card na ompese use say ne say sabre no. What the driver's license ekwa unyabi. What the NHI ekwa unyabi. Na ni entie ho ase ema obi Abu Ramadan e de call Supreme Court. Abu Ramadan de call Supreme Court say Sa voter identification card na nkrofo kura no. Nkrofo pi the NHI abeshim. The NHI ne koje card no. Abra NHI no. Obiya timi gibia onye Ghana ni. NHI card no yetimi de mawa onye Ghana ni. Na se onye Ghana ni na on sabe kan NHI card. Na otimi de akọ ya hospital. No ni se ma okwan na odi yiye mampani.
But ukura dey na automatically utimi control din.
Sabre no.
Yes, Sabre no.
Sabre no.
Sane.
Ena aburu amada de court. Ena Supreme Court say eno de yenyin firi mu. E ba jaw kai pa. Supreme Court ka say obi a okura NHI card bia no yenyin firi mu. Na de ewirem wo ho ne say ebesi ne Electoral Commission entimi enyi saa din dodo no enfiri mu ahotokwa so. Omo entimi enyi din no. O kaya Supreme Court ni wo mo tentam ye pa. Se omo mia omo ni no munyi edi no enfiri mu. Omo entimi. Enti voter register no a ewo ho sesei no. Obi di card ba nipa omo ka 17 million 18 million no mo saa card no. Obi wo ho kura saa card no a ene wonim kwan ofa so a onya card no enso ne biometric data ewo ayinum database no efi se watimi anya card ni bi or the NHI card na giye or the driver's license na giye nti the biometric data abam nti ono okra card no de ba se san twere midin a na che se o kokra de wo pese o sa kyere mu no asan aba wanim biem o ti de make na jerry o kokra o si ade ne nye o ye afiri mu afa de o san akọwachi akọgi saa ade na wo si enye na opeso o san akọgi de abehye ayinum so the same requirement na wo si enye no o san akọfa e de abehye o card fufura wo yenum na che se kwasi kono gira kwantia wa anya dwuma bia wa nkasa wa san abo ho tuo wo si ade ne nye important pa si ati ase se card no sebi bebia efiri ba no nsem ewo ho nsem ewo ho no ne se ebinum kura bia omanya ne kwan bi so a yentimi nka ne fiko se omye Ghana fo
which is the current voter
ID card no yentimi nche ne fiko se omye Ghana fo mpo ewo ho Supreme Court aka say NHIA card no de yentimi fan to abayentimi fan ye abato grata enne obi ani ho betimi aka se Electoral Commission asem ayiwo sa nipa ni nyina afiri mu awie o kan sa enye yi Electoral Commission agitum se omo ntimi anye sa adwuma enti register na ahye kubu no o san kofa sa card no e de aba abetwere register foforo enye se wo kwa na wo ha ho wo san tia emra Supreme Court emra memra
lawyer member what to aso o ka se o tia Supreme Court emra no Supreme Court emra kro no as the Abu Ramadan case and in your kafa voter ID card no say ye free mo is it not the same way say ye tia Supreme Court emra say o ka Supreme Court
ye free mo tia Supreme Court emra say mentia say
that's the Supreme Court said that the existing voter's ID card is most widely available identification document in Ghana with over 16 million holders and has been upheld by the Supreme Court of Ghana as the best prima facie evidence of voter eligibility.
When a case has been upheld by the Supreme Court of Ghana, why quotation are we?
This is a free anchor.
And I can't say na we quote no.
Na me quote no.
On quote position cancer. Now, it has been widely accepted. Did the Supreme Court say that NHIA holders were valid? Did the Supreme Court say that? No. Into the Supreme Court's observation that it is widely, it is true. It is widely. That's what the register was based on. What you say? It is widely. It's a large database. And not a database a does among for their identification document because the banks and all that have access to it. And no interest NHIA holders any so And just because it is widely held throughout the internet, it is the most genuine document because NHI for Ewasubido. And yes, and the Supreme Court was specific about that case. Say, ye NHI for free, if you say, Omukra card, no anything Omukrebi. NEC, and Timmy, yes, Edumano, I'm an answer. They were not able to. Okay, say, obviously, Supreme Court say is the most widely available, the most credible, the most per the standards of the time. Because almost home fear watch, you might be a national identification card. They were not able to produce a national identification card to rival that of the EC. The EC's card is not an identity document. It's for voting. You should have had a national identification card, which they never produced. If the EC had a large database, which they insist on doing because they are entitled to compile a register to conduct an election, and they insist on conducting a register. They have that right, they have that authority. So they conduct and establish a register. When you register, Nase, register no muno. Emra omwa de buy the register no. In Shensudie bi wo mu a, echire ne hu se sa Shensudie no, emwa. Enti yaka say it's widely available. Does that mean say Shensudie bia or the GB bia correct? That is not true. Okay. It is not true. What can I say? It is widely available. It is being used. It is credible. Institutions are receiving it. Does that mean that institutions are genuine? Bank is genuine? NHI for any manner? Because the court concluded that NHI holders who used NHI cards to acquire that identification card were not entitled to it. They were not entitled to it. It will be na so the bank near Gia. Bank for no question say or the NHI card na Gia. What you say? When you have a PEC database, this one there. And will be haji because EC database at that time NHI anti-management it was widely available. And will be ekoye. So what you say? Bank people were virtually using it as an identification card because it's widely available. The database is there. No interest. Obia okra card ni bi owo database no onya card no kwampa so enchesa ya bi ye adwuma no nchese obia nya no kwampa so e wo se yetisade na sepa obi kura EC card no na nchese onya no kwampa so nti chinchini a okra bi didie e papa Supreme Court dey nyina na e papa ye nyin firim omantimi enyin firim nti yare EC, NIA, Emra, and the Eduma. Sebi, NDC for SC Abine, and NIA is Aquatrans ABV Abem. And ya daji, Aquatrans ABV Abem. Not just say, Omo Parliament, I wohono. Parliament na NDC for wohono. Parliament na NDC for no more no go kwa omo nya adwuma bia efi se NI da ben na nhyehyɛ ne ba yɛ sa akron de ne eba ono sam je fi kan sisia match ya mimiti studio na ntokwasi ye panelists bi ka say electoral commission enfa NIA database enye new register sata na covid march afina na covid beba ema isika se omo mfa enye nanu no chese nipa yabo efo eno che nipa abopo
no but it's not surprising say
meba medru ho
at one point we say enya dia ye bedi atu then another point
medru ho yare medru ho nti mpese meti ase ye nyina ti ase se da ben na sa epobo no bai medru ho se omo ball po no was match ya na NIA esimu dada na o match le din wo mantem dada omso mo kono anti clockwise ama frau voter dano metie prof o si e ho no mo issue the highest number of valid cards. It's an NDC stronghold. It's an NDC stronghold. Inti osheda koye NDC stronghold no vote no papa se be ya e be kire se oni aban ene ai abopo se ye ma Ghana for and trouble ma NDC. Inti meti studio enom kan sa asem se on de mo mfa enai e be ye ntokwa Professor Atefa a full press conference on any staff. Sabrin se mi mani anyi hu eh dade en ekosi aban aso ye mienu na mo de atintam sa e kire se ne nhihye no waduru akiri a obetimi di aye ye wo so ode ye o ti ase now e kwan be so ne fa ya NI omo no se omo die nhihye ya omo de be ye omo card no inyina swam de be ye no be se ye kwachiri kakra omo de ye parliamentary report wa
Lawyer Kumi in 2 minutes, Mami Nafi.
I don't know 2 minutes. Oh man, because I free for all.
I'm keeping
Are you free for their time? Which time are you keeping? His time or my time?
Both times.
Do I know you open you me my can do what you put me. Jerry, you abandon timing. Or can't say when you me time, you abandon timing. Young Koso. Yeah. This is the parliamentary record. NDC MPP. In parliament as well as in committee. NI 2017. Omobai. So omo besisa. Emrano Act 750 no. Section 8 no a chere so de no voter ID card ni ade ka ho. Asem kind, see. Despite the successful implementation of these laws, certain developments in SMBSCC ye nipa yakoyanim in SMBSCC ama e was some sachira emranum, and I'll quote this in English. These developments include the decision of the Supreme Court in Abu Ramadan versus Attorney General and Electoral Commission, delivered in May 2016, which has precluded the use of national health insurance cards as proof of citizenship. Until there was so free. Omo dienum NI emrano mbe no foforo no NI card ba ko no enka ho meboa ye wie debate no NDC fo nyina wo ho NDC fo nyina ekoho on the fate of those who may not have the above documents for Frona NIA ban. It was refreshing, committee in the NDC for MPP for, to note that ample arrangements have been made to enable such persons to be registered. The identity of such applicants could be vouched for by 2 relatives or by 2 non-relatives to be determined by the NIA. Okay. It came to Parliament. And NDC 42, the concluding part of that, the committee commended highly the Honorable Minister responsible for initiating the amending legislation. Highly. What you say? Now, Jerry, about easy. About easy. 2019 Special Budget Committee. Leader of the minority, and the majority leader, Outlook for 2019. Easy. Report, compile a credible voters register.
Can I say,
now, almost register as far back as that time. They told Parliament they were going to have a new register. And Parliament includes NDC. Inti se obika se obia fasumase akoye register na enwanwa na yemra yanim say no ba mi Orlando point so I want to land on that point. Say putupru na
na land on that point.
Putupru na EC say wasesa na dwen enokre sa presentation me hwe bi EC kan say obetimi de o ka dada ba na nkyere say say Sabrina Nanyemrano, easy intimi sanadwen emfa mra foforo emma parliament. It is the right of the NDC to argue and question it. And so easy wo to me say won so de ba. Yenti krom ha ne ye referendum. Ye wo mrahye bedwam. Na NDC fo ka kire ye say ye ko amend article 243. Ah, omo ka kire say yen kofa 55 ewo constitution num enka ho. Enya sa let me land on that point. Malandia and Tiasia, Malandia and Tiasia, Genesis, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, even 30 seconds, even 30 seconds, even 30 seconds. Oh, she had again, 30 seconds. Show, when the parliamentary leadership had decided, say, young comment the 55, NDC chairman, the general simply to say, party Nasi Sanadi, into the entire referendum process had to go waste. Okay, now say easy back. Easy. Sami, kase obe yusu. Adia emra because card no. NHI emra si mu ntimi fa sa card ni adwuma. Nti obe yusu NI card. Ghana card. Eno no chese aban. Any easy. Aba. Nkola asembe ni. Okay. Well, sir me share yen na hwe TV so a Amadou Sule transferred votes illegally, chopped money report, and I have a portion of it here. If we can go to the second one. As the chairperson, Charlotte Osei, gave evidence against Amadou Sule, saying that when she heard that STL was effecting the transfer of voters from the voter management system illegally, she received email evidence from STL of voter transfers done through the VMS by STL between 1st January 2014 and 3rd and 4th September 2015 to date. Sami, is this not enough reason for us to call for a new voter?
Yeah, CJ, in all fairness, I will get equal opportunity to make my case. My starting fee was Mbisana. Because they are one of the bankrupt arguments. Or more, I'm not referring to you. Or more yes arguments. Or more here to justify the indefensible.
Including former chairperson Charlotte.
Oh, if I just make up. Illegal voter transfer and invalidate existing voters ID card. Voter transfer in the same. And this will be two about a police station A. Now we're in a few, and then I call police station B.
Police station B in some police station. Sorry.
I want to read the next paragraph. If you can put that on the screen. Now, the three of us say, when she confronted STL why they were doing so against the lay-down procedures, the contractor said that all the transfers were authorized and showed scanned copies of WhatsApp instructions to STL from Amadou Sule.
Hey, can I continue? What is that question now?
No, for the purpose of discussion.
Okay, so you finished.
There were 17 such exhibits with a list of people to be transferred either through WhatsApp or handwritten notes bearing Amadou Sule's signature.
But wait.
Maybe.
Good.
Is this not enough reason? Does this not suggest
that it reinforces the point I'm making? So you allow me to answer your question.
Thank you.
Voter transfer, anything. So we didn't need voter register, so I ain't been transferred. Are you getting me?
Me too.
To be transferred means that you are a registered voter with a voter's ID card. It is a transfer, no, you're wrong. I don't just say voter's ID card, you're wrong. Let me break it down for you to understand.
Break it down for my
voter transfer, let's say, will be a registered voter's ID card or to a bar or bantama. Press B primary A. Now, you then call ABR Usu Roman Catholic police station B. So what you say? So how transfer now? You can only transfer your work card that was to a ban. You didn't go register anymore. Now, so transfer no mrada home. So the transfer is illegal and void. But they don't just say nipa chronic card ni kita no void.
Okay, so transfer no home rano.
And I will buso. Oh,
mrano is saying
transfer no ye mra ye de transfer. are political parties in any DHD. What can you say, Charlotte, or say, Bonin Crew in that case between one and the chairperson, or say the deputy chairperson, ASR transfers now, no as chairperson, now only. And I made sure say, same podium Charlotte or say, can any no cry. And this involves only 17 people, according to Charlotte or say, out of a register, NIPA at the time over 15 million names. 17 out of 15 million. Same podium Charlotte or say, can any no cry. And yet the transfer no na wrong. But the voters ID card make it they are correct because they are voters. It means that they are supposed to vote at their original police stations.
But if the transfer is wrong, doesn't it raise questions
about the card? Question being raised about the card. You are a voter. You have a card already, but you are supposed to vote with your card at a particular police station. And you say your transfer was wrongly, or transfer no wrong. It was back to the your card is valid. And you no undermining the existing voters ID card in any case. So to the metro in any case, say unlawful transfer. Emra da ho. Emra ne say. Emra ne say transfer why ya amfa mra kwan so no. Ye twem. Ye nka say nipa 17 ya transfer your mo amfa mra kwan so nti no. Register nipa 16 million people di wom dey to atwene ne akoye foforo. What be that? Enti an unlawful transfer doesn't invalidate the register or the voters ID card of even the people who have been transferred. Not to talk about those who have not been illegally transferred. And even if there is a problem with data, Saloto said, the details of those 17 people, all you do is to reverse their transfer so that they will vote at the baby omotwaba. See, what you say? It's my aunt was. Now, a platform where a platform was a super. If we say what the abaha, say a mayan church and your muama, you have wanted the economy. The yame does only say, I many penny abuabian somewhere. Yena ya lawyer for. Now, as a lawyer for a dear bakwa, ya tete a pa a womb.
Yari, let me interrupt too. If you see, cast personal special,
will be no personal attack. So let me make my point.
Make your argument. Make your argument.
And every lawyer you are training on how to interpret judgments or rulings of the court. It is a way a lawyer need, not judgment of the Supreme Court in the election petition case. Unim say, not judgment in voter register who baby are. Supreme Court and can a judgment in baby say. Voters register at the 2012 elections, problem be womb. Now what kind of judgment as a lawyer? Now we bet not TV so case. Election petition case, court has a problem being when you know said that was not even an issue. Please let me make my point. When you was talking, you did not interrupt me.
Lawyer, it is a major issue. It was about the register.
You see, I mean, make this point very clear here.
Make your point. Make your point.
Obuoni ni dia me de ma yatie for ene lawyer boabian sabon na mesrese won fa bi mame. O kan sem bebre na me ne nya adwen me yekum. Edu ba bi kro say ensem na yemu bi kan ye nkrasem. No, let me set the rules. So if I have given him,
I set the rules here.
But I deserve to be treated fairly.
I set the
because men pese be say we aka na we aka. Obi an kan asem.
Sami kan asem.
Na ye ma tie fo ntie no mo ja. So what you say? Good. So the point I'm making here is say Supreme Court election petition case na lawyer Boabian Samuatana Hakase. E can say voters register na yede to aba in 2012 when your papa. Me say yem kuntumpu. I am challenging him here today. Akabe 1 hour and sani yapon. On me babia because he has the judgment. Supreme Court can say register yede to aba in 2012 no. Na problem bi wo.
Okay.
Let me make my point. My don't cut me. CJ, no, he will get an opportunity to make his case because the point I am making here, and if he is not able to prove it, he must retract and apologize for saying. CJ, because it is not right. Supreme Court case about election petition. The whole case, I have read it more than 10 times. Every law student has done so. The whole case was about because without biometric verification, overvoting, pink sheet, serial numbers. Those were the issues for determination. At no point did any of the Supreme Court justices who presided over that matter, say, register the to about in 2012. Papa. It is as it was not even an issue for determination in the case. And it is not contained in any of the judgments. I am challenging him. We are more than 1 hour. Or see on Famra. That is point number 1. In Kuntumpu number 1. Number 2. Or say, in the Abu Ramadan case, Supreme Court do say, or we take a decision say, ne binum the NIA card and actually mudi onto the register. Emma Supreme Court ne kasa sa fo ni nyina no. Ne ni say mo kwan mo the health insurance card actually mudi. Enu nti no omunyi health omunyi sa fo ni nyina din free register ni. According to lawyer Yabo Abia Samwa, or see easy for ntimi anya sa ade no. Si je nya sa no kan. Si je mi bi sa wasem nya sa no kan. Omuntimi nye.
Emma NCP.
Obi obeka sa akire obi ase ni who because you nkontompo. You see, we are educating people and we must be factual in our assertions on this platform. Master, I hold in my hand here this story. We have the Ghana elections, africanelections.org. Title, the story was published on 14 July 2016. 56,772 NHIS registrants deleted from the voters' register. The Electoral Commission of Ghana has released a list containing details of all the 56,772 persons who used National Health Insurance Scheme cards to register as voters in 2012. Click on the link below to download the full list. Persons whose names have been deleted have 10 days from Monday, July 18, 2016 to re-register at the EC district office close to where they registered in 2012. To easily find out if you are part of the 56,772 persons deleted from the voters register, download the PDF file by clicking on Nnawotwe. So, Supreme Court man order say, omo the health insurance scheme cards are registered. And this omudin what register, the EC complied. Master, it is a serious issue, says Supreme Court by order. Now, in law, you find high crime. High crime. And it is obi wo evidence say Supreme Court here ruling in the Abu Ramadan case say you more health insurance or more health insurance scheme cards register onto the register din free. Any anya and or not wa and understand the pattern or here. Because when it's Abu Ramadan case in your Abu Ramadan case no 1 and you want 2 two cases. See just only first case now is 4 year deletions when in a way and only the year or more deletion. Supreme Court FR auditor KPMG. And a KPMG for audit register no. And who say more health insurance scheme cards are registered. Because once who register will fill a form. Form now fill in your form 1A. On the form 1A, no card that would register as your primary source document. No, so. And KPMG for check it from 1A no identify 56,772 people. And a easy for delete here. And I'm publishing my journal online will be a publisher. And the amount I delete you within 10 days. For crata for brand info. Yeah, it's been published, settled. In fact, Abu Ramadan sounds so called part 2. Equaka say, easy for any in free. And a Supreme Court to say, yeah, for KPMG, referee, why auditing, or may you say in free evidence. Well, it is a woo evidence be a chair say, or more health insurance scheme cards registered, a BD that's too more evidence. Fabra, no modality. But see, not nobody has submitted even one name. Now, how many years after that? The same register and the other two in 2016. Me and Yechiko kwa yedinima. So now register and your papa. Now can free think you about 2016. A register which violates a Supreme Court decision. It was used for the 2016 elections without any contention because now you're clean away. And you someone lawyer Yabuabia Samwatan Haka say, or more health insurance scheme cards register yen you mudin free mun eyun kontumpo. Okay. Or me one person or the health insurance scheme card register ya yen in free. And you say je afa na masate me so nyanto bo say me.
Me person or react to.
No, me nyanwie ye because okanyema bebre so ntimi ka say me ka ba kwa react. And yes I think no car one time me say I have a reaction. Oh yes am komo nya de. Me ne nyanto bo say fufu afa ni ye wo masim na wo no mo nkwan. Nyanto bo say cause in kontumpo ne doso. So health insurance a card as na work and it is neither here nor there. In any case, meanwhile, you use common sense. Say, right now, me Sami Jenfi meba. Na me say Ghana card na kenate for issue. Obi kite bia wonya Ghana ni. Ukita Ghana for die ni bi. Me be ka asa ni ntino. Yes Ghana card ni nyina na yenjusu bi me yetu agu ni aboka akwa yefoforo. Me ni asa asem we to aso mu. Etiefo etie nyiro bi anjaje. Wo se say obi din wo mu a onya Ghana ni no. Enya wo na wo de adanse ba. Me ba twa nya sa na ye no. He who alleges must prove. And until 2016, still MPP for insist said Togo for din were registered according to Dr. Bawumiano. Yet power by Joko just a scrap committee. Yet to yourself Fred Bawumia said, "U Togo for now so more registered in Munufomo bra." One name comment in Yavanko. Besin na omunti minchre obi a wanya Ghana ni ani din was about test register with. Omunti minchre. Yet the two about mama benefited by over 1 million votes. Almost na elections and they are credible. Obi a impugn the register. Now we better now because say register na credible. Omo to abama including MPP for omo to abama president Kufuor over 5.something million. No one cannot use the card to show some of Ghana for. Na nya battle na person we mu a eye de. In any case, say we evidence say obi will register no so ni so wo ho. Supreme Court has established say the register can be revised. The register can be cleaned according to the constitution. Inti there was a way ya say fa nipa kro ni din bra. Utieme, two ways. For the Bible form 1A. So the or you unqualified that near free. Number 2, simple you see use existing voters ID card no and your card the person more. It doesn't stop MPP polling agent. Onim says Sami Jenfi Togoni. Now ko register Doma East Primary A and stop on from filling a challenge form. Because it is only a prima facie evidence of your citizenship and eligibility. Absolutely. And your conclusive evidence. Obi betinya challenge or say, "Way okay, existing voters ID card, but you told me on your Ghana." And people na foreigners I will register so. Give it to your agents to challenge those people. So please. So let me land on this. So please. And someone waka about Supreme Court decision in the election petition case. He said, "I can't register where your papa na yunkuntumpo. I've challenged him to bring evidence." As someone waka, so more use health insurance scheme card. And the register have given you incontrovertible evidence that you're kind of yunkuntumpo. Just a scrap committee and in fact they upheld the integrity and sanctity of the current register and voters ID card.
Okay, but now, given the current the population of this country and the number of registered voters as of 2016, are you saying the register is not bloated?
Bloated, Nese. How can a biometric register? Every register in the world is bloated. Bloated, as such, which we can say, nipa binum will register nimua omontuaba. That is one form of bloating. Because unless we have voters register September, November, say nipa binum. Omo will be no mudin as well register. Omon kati as for home. The register will be bloated at every given opportunity. But and also a free manual register na photo album register na near one incarnated here about 2018. Yet two and no biometric. Because biometric there, odoman kuma bo nipa no. Obia nipa bia de danso on satia we entafo de kra yeden enyepe. Enti se nipa kro ni din wo register no wu a osa mind to aba se meboa. Enti obia ni wo betimi di ni din na wo register no ma yeden ato aba. So with a biometric register no, the issue of bloating is moot. Because nobody can vote twice, nobody can vote without verification. It is a within woman who will cry useless. Now you see, medical actually say existing voters ID card no. And on Ghana for the donor will be 16 million people will be the most available card. A chain passport 1.5 million, 18 years and above, penny will be. And a Ghana card only 6.5 million people 18 years above will be. This is the Supreme Court decision here. Now, a dispute in the Ramadan case. See, the then Chief Justice, Georgina Wood, a kind of existing register. Or say, it may indeed be legitimately argued that for all practical purposes, the old voter card when put the biometric, card that photo album. The old voter card is the best prima facie evidence of an applicant's eligibility under the CI. Certainly, if the holder were not qualified for registration as a voter, how did he or she come by the voter registration card? So Supreme Court adhere to me say, Say wo pe krata wo betim be identify you be so you qualified to be registered as a voter. And actually, it is the voter's ID card at any given time. You cannot dispute it. So if we say obi kitabi na right, you can challenge. Then ABM me pacho me ba no wakasa che no wakasa che inti maza wakasa che I have made some points inti nyanto was me just 4 minutes I can end. Now me say also can be say CJ. The voter's ID card Nikita is the most widely accepted card. Because yenya yeju to me say no need dimu pa passport. Na see joy mo ye documentary be friend paper citizen documentary. Why? Yeah. Omo nya Ghana fo. Omo ko birth and death registry no makotua bribe no maje birth set. No makwa your passport. Okay. That is how easy it is to get a passport. Enumpo no easy for so omo beje. Enumpo ni enka say yen discard the passport because we have video evidence that says omo nya Ghana for passport. But voters ID card there and sana won sabeka no it goes through the most rigorous and strictest procedure. Just like a voter registration center, Obekono agents of all political parties, or EC officers, or observers, both local and international. Say, Obi crumble free, say you are not qualified, that they can challenge you and you go through a thorough process. So what you say? Because of some processes in Ghana, and a card there, banks, private institutions, public institutions, a G2 for purposes of identification, a voter's ID. Ghana card and the banks are accepted. Or the Ghana card called bank they are rejected. Now who easy? Card ya one kasa wa ya mayen. Card ya no ne dia to Obama President Akufo-Addo arene by 1 million votes. Card ya no na 16 million people wo bi. Me ma me abrewa nipa e won kurase nyina wo bi no. Wo so be trading na sa card no obi ntimi mfa ma se wo ye Ghana ni. Na mo passport a nipa 1.5 million pe wo bi. Ghana card a nipa 6.5 million pe wo bi no. E no na wo beje. About one now person will be. Okay. Now again. No, I come the last but 1 point.
Make the last point.
So let me make my point. See the woman commanding you do. Why I tell me
you can testify and then put the
and then why are there kakra oh say on record. Oh say on record.
So we make your last point. Na me twa me homra.
Me no atie me ye pa.
Make your last point.
Say there ya boabian samoa mo ka about voters ID card ni nyina ye no kra. Enye papa. E sit there na 30th January. 30th January year 2020. If one kasa ye documents e de come aso for mpany for political parties. No mo kan wo mu say existing voters ID ye be use. Abrana MPP for wo. No me can see so. It means he say. It means he say. Omo kan sa same way omo ni obo ni die ma Ghana mpanyi for those eminent personalities intino omo twa nkontompo kire omo mpanyi for no bo omo tin ko oh mo be use existing voters ID card na de ye no e no omo ni MPP for akwa hye dem abopo say ya dada mpanyi for na wie ye betinya dada omo and now they are manufacturing arguments to justify that. Finally the entire ni abra ye kasa about Ghana voters ID card na ye free mo no. You see, you must appreciate the demographics of Ghana and you here e wa ha. And this is a stronghold. Emirati ba me ma me pe upper east and upper west. Here wo pa ipa dodo na e wo na ni passport. Ghana card na ye de aka ho no so. Minua. Unim say omo target 18 million people to register. So for me register only 11 million. So about 7 million people have not been registered. But even the 11 million no ma register omo no. Upper east 93% of them omunya omo card. Upper west 94% of them omunya omo card. But Ashanti region there, more than 51% in your card.
Okay, but on this one,
what it means is, my response number. The point here, they say we voters ID card ni free when no young crowd from what's now say Ghana card na we use more people in Ashanti region are almost stronghold because Ashanti region more common in fidie 3,600 according to one coin. Abran kind put use in fidie 1,000. More people in the MPP stronghold will be able to get the Ghana card and identify themselves. Okay. By in the NDC stronghold, don't mean it. That's it. And as I vouching for when I'm ending, and I'm also established. No, CJ, my ministry should be. Yes, say abasoba, and then my eja epai. It's true. My children say, "Sa obi me di ejire mu mo obi me di ejire mu mo obi." Enyamra because CJ, my don't catch me. You didn't do that to him, so let me land 15 seconds for then. advert now, baby.
50 seconds. 4 minutes crack.
4 minutes now, so your friend use 2 minutes. I'm ending on this last point. They say, I have raised an issue. You have not asked him. You've not even spoken about that issue. We are here to educate people. Me say, what say Obi will register for the new ID card and then guarantee ma Obi. So Oye Ghanaian. That nipa chronic card the kita no de kwa guarantee no enye valid because it's provisional. E betimi aba say you be go through deduplication, exhibition, adjudication awie no. Na say nipa chronic card no. Ya invalidate say we register me no and wanye Ghanaian. It is that ejiramudie no and guarantorship no. And the problem be back. He has not been able to say anything about it.
Yeah, share the justification for the Electoral Commission going by Ghana card and passport as brief document. It's the discussion for here. Say isi konenim na otwaso etu anamonya wotu a. Edian na ebisi wo hwen ewa Adom TV sanso na wote enka sempa 94.7 FM. Yentwa ye homra. Well, until Yamawa Kwababio, Safe now do a video to our Ocean Adom TV, Samsung out here and Asempa 94.7 FM. Of course, YouTube also, so Adom TV on YouTube, Ocean for a message, Brad na Afi, Yankin Kai, and Farmer. My guest this morning, 2 astute lawyers. Lawyer Yabuabian Samoa is the MPP Communication Director, and a lawyer Sami Jemfi, National Communication Officer of the NDC. Lawyer.
Mamente Niamam, you know. Or can it tell?
But how many minutes each?
Okay. What challenge me say me ya dey bia no. And also come time. Okay, obeti me there.
But mama 2 minutes.
Oh, my 10.
Asem a o ka say
10 minutes.
10.
10 minutes.
27, obi 37. Me try no.
Asem a o ka say me say Supreme Court declare say Adom no enye. Wa antimase. O sha say na lawyer for na wa antimase. Oh, say, Chief Justice George Nnawotwe, I can say, card, EC card, voter ID card is the most reliable and widely held card. Na me kase. Okasa na nkyerese ebidum ni register no so a omo card no nya na kwan bone so. That is exactly what I said. Man kase George Nnawotwe declare say register no. I didn't say that. In any event, what he's quoting now, he's quoting from Abu Ramadan decision. Yeah, it is not even referring to the biometric card. Lawyer, senior counsel, will say it may be argued, and that is the law. The arguments, the Chief Justice was citing an argument. It may be argued, say card no, is the most authentic. How can I say it? He was even referring to the older card. That argument now, and say in the Abu Ramadan case, the court did not find say NHI4 are not entitled to a card. Are entitled to a card, rather. And I'm or see voter ID card net hono. What next say deeper 16 million ekrebi. Ushemwa ye ati se okurumu nyina obiya ekrebi. Ye de call bank, ye de call momo, ye de say nti eno na ye nyina ye de ye adwuma ye ni da so na enkyere se. That's the argument I made. Na enkyere se ebinim nimu a omukura omanfa kwa paso ni nyaaye omde kotikwan enyaaye kotikwan ni sei omde NHIA card energy. Thank you. Nti court no kai say NHIA card for no ye ntwa omudie no na se wo be ko to Ghana election yi say is where you nobody was happy with the deed. And Saturday, nobody was happy. By see a year, a 45,000, and she also made a then the decision even came. So the agent dear plan on some training, and the command here when I cry. Intimidity, I say. And many Ghanaians at the time did not accept, say, that cleaning had been done properly. Minina swan. Na memra so wasi biometric nti nipa no entimi ngine mpie no na unya ghost e wa de no so any other na deduplication efisi ade no nipa ne tibi twire di ne bro so nipa ne tibi twire di no e bro so Enti ya call court 2013 no. Pie de di say figures are friends papa di mai commissioner di mai for parliamentary and presidential no, there was a vast difference in the register numbers. It was not able to be proven in court. No, it came out say 705 list be on the buy. The court stated it. Double registrations are name. A copy of which was Abudu number 159 on the list of different voter ID card. The same name, another number on the list had a different. Okay, Now, we argued, just like the Chief Justice said it may be argued. We argued, say, there were ghost polling stations on the register. What mean the ghost polling stations? You have bloated the register. And we identified 22 polling stations. Free by the Supreme Court. The fact says Supreme Court, no ghost friends saying, the argument was not made or we didn't find those things. They were there. Okay, finger of God. 4 polling stations for the same polling station. Finger of God. How did the EC explain itself? And to say the register was not bloated. Now, because biometric in Intino, now transfer, no. It is not the case. If it is bloated, as it is, if it's a duplication, they are now be a free, maybe a 2-2. It is possible say you bloated. Obi a transfer. With me, I transfer. I could go to police stations. With me, I transfers of vote ID cards are non-existent human beings, and so ID cards, which is what Amadou Sule was found to be doing. And don't tell me say your chain is why 17. No. 17. Well, the point I'm making
out of
through to crab from 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016. To the point say, Omampanyida Dajo Mahama, Okaya, Okachre parties, no. You call demonstration here. They say, to me, no, it was easy. And yen Emma easy and yen juma. Charlotte, diary, no, Charlotte say, or no dear, you obey me and say, obey cleaning register. Why would she clean the register if it was not bloated? Charlotte admitted, said the register needed to be cleaned. The crab panel admitted, said the register needed to be cleaned. I didn't know go cleaning register. I didn't know go cleaning register. Charlotte admitted that she would rather clean the register because that was a debate. MPP was consistent and said, NDC was insisting, said, cleaning. Nowhere did the NDC say, French him na they admitted, say, it could be cleaned. Those were the two arguments of the time, right from 2013 to 2016 and Sunday. And at the end of the day, the Ghana and say, almost say, on be cleaning register. And obviously ended up in Supreme Court any other day. That register is doubtful. Enti yemra to me say NDC focus say omum penia. To me be no mgina so say omum penia dey. Your parliament, my demonstrations, bebre. My press conference, bebre. Oh yeah, a friend say, Marco Supreme Court. Ye ka say yem penny 2012, ye ko Supreme Court 2013. Bosu me nwatwe na Supreme Court say yanko. Ye gitu mu. Na do ka say wono nani nye ho. Yo maka nani nye ho so ye lawyer panyi a watena emra emman mu de. Obeji atum. Ye gitu mu. Ene NDC eti opposition si ombo say chinchinia. Just said de ye de omo pe. Enye sa omo mpene said de. Electoral Commission and what to me. Or the register. The Electoral Commission sends for dear or day ban. Just say a com rashe bedroom. IPAC, the Kika Kahunina, a foot you, what me the faho. Okasa amba IPAC, and then she said, Rano, the Abba electoral or the Abba Parliament, Rafon. And say, see, I am a new Casay. CI at the Parliament. As a CI, no. NDC, any MPP, any Electoral Commission, any Attorney General, any Ebetsna home, Ashim, Ayahojuma. Sa CI no, EC say, or the passport any Ghana card ɛna obi a wagye the card ebe voucher ama nipa du na saa theory na almost say provisional card inti obi koye na echi de betwam num ni ade ade de minim da bia okoye electoral commission ma masa suppositions no, but that is the rule, the regulation ye de amayen. That is the regulation ye de amayen. Ye kohwem ye hwem na electoral commission ti megitum say card dada no ade konti o mayi afiri mu eni say Abu Ramadan principle no say kwan on befa so on be kire no na ye no ye de be ye adwuma e parliament. Parliament the bar asa Parliament and NDC for ho and MPP for ho and Ghana man nyina apa o say yen kwotena ho ne ania bobo yentimi ntina abonten abra parliament ho en kan che wi ase say yen abedwakuo NDC yen pene say ye beye Ghana card yen pene say NI beye n'adwuma nse say NDC for mpe election na so mpe election after 2020 ya anto aba ebe bo ma na say emwa na ansa ne beto aba na ye hia register nti kwan be so ne be fa ye register no just say ye register NDC for epe ansa ne ato aba Abraham ra wo kuro no just say ye register just say NDC for nko ape yes akuro no nhye sa na NDC for ka che say ye ma kuro no nhye nti abra ye wo parliament de asa sia na beto parliament de NDC wo ho kwan bia so ye ho adwuma nyina e wo parliament
lawyer. But that's it. What okay. Time now?
I will have my 10 minutes now. Yes, exactly 10 minutes.
My kind message. Yeah, I'll give you 10 minutes. My kind message is Charles Roxon and or they way free. The name says Julio. As when Sami Jefi becomes the general secretary, kindly go for the director of communications position. We shall fully support you to succeed. Dr. Baba Zamo Master Planner Junior Kintampoki. As Sami Jefi should stop the Phariseeism. Okay, we all know coronavirus is dangerous, but why would you think we can use one day to vote with this huge number of registered voters, but we can't use several days to register these same people? And also so Ediaba. Emmanuel Mensa Amwa says, Sami, you have a point here, but EC said they won't take it. New register by all means. And also today about halal Nike. I said, Sami Jefi, in fact, you have facts about what you are saying. Keep it up and expose them. We, the citizens of Wamfie, are proud of you. Sami Hona of your own.
Yes.
Of Wamfie.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay. Shola Junior
not
Thompson.
Exactly Wamfie, but Wamana for Domakwem.
Okay. Shola Junior Thompson, I say, can we go to Adom TV premises and hail Sami Jefi? Oh, sir. Okay, I see. Yeah, precious Boatima. I say the EC should just allow us to go and register. The requirements are too much. Edinkra Joseph Destiny. Sami Jefi is a threat to our democracy, and he's losing his credibility as a young politician. Well, honey, Sami, as a man, break. I want to put that question to you. EC is but I mean, why was Sinadrini say voter register no? What is going to what is going to be your action?
Okay. The time near 39, maybe 49.
Let me forget the time.
Maybe time no here. Dedi kind.
Go in.
I am the say yet me settle in ye maybe. Dedi kind and era ya boabian samwa say easy for ede emra fufuro ya omode akọ parliament omode iko no omone IPAC kra nwe ho a emamra no enye void. Because IPAC need the consultations and yamra some more kind. But then chair your cry. The treasurer for penny Rajon Bodu. Eba Bonten because IPAC etna and Marano so discussing extensively. It was the last IPAC meeting on the 25th of March.
Which you boycotted?
Yes. And I know
the general principle.
And from my boama kokotwaye den.
It's a general principle.
Say obi twa nkontom.
It's a general principle.
Because you show evidence for your last press conference. Is if what the Mrafo Flowey Echo Parliament 17th of March. Last IPAC meeting na Mokan 17 was 8 days after some of them ran Mrache. So it was on the 25th of March. So how could IPAC have discussed and deliberated on a law on 25th of March? Deliberated on a law, you're laying in Parliament 8 days earlier, 17th of March. and I actually am because say adwenboni wo wutimi na wo ye bibiboni a onyame ema onyame ma won sem a wo ka no kra na insisi so nti bo say won sem na wo ka na bo aburasa na wo te ho to so ene de omagia to mu say there was no consultations at IPAC. That is a very instructive admission. Number one. Number two, baby, me wofa kwakuba ku bia me chia no. Otaka yare bi ho asem in politics and our communication for the shifting cultivation. Just obi aka asem na waso ni mu ha na wadwane akogina. Oka uso ni mu oso man kasa me kan bi enu bi nene ora ya abo abia.
Then next we hire say obi a shifting.
Oka si su pain say in the election petition case, you know. Court no I can say register yede to aba in 2012, which was a biometric register. Because the election petition case was about the 2012 election, which was based on the new register. Okay, let's say register in your papa. And yes, never said that. Yes, na presidential and parliamentary register and after you say the difference, you know, omo register we exactly. But ko far list ne ba ye no na enso ne de keka. I made the Supreme Court judgment no baby omo apodu say because of the asem na wo can the register is not credible. Because the argument now we hear, what was the objective? The objective was to demonstrate.
So you have concluded
register for me. Papa.
So you have concluded.
That is what you were saying. Oh, lawyer. You
are concluding for
me. So we are putting you to strict proof. Judgment they be the winning. Can chile ye baby a court no G2 mu say afarujan and justify the difference between the parliamentary register and the presidential. Nana transfer be from Boche and the okay chile baby a wa. It is the same. It's been established at the 2012 election petition. Court nan can be as a register. In fact, they upheld the integrity of that elections, including the integrity of the register. Oh, please let me proceed. Let me proceed.
I never said.
Let me proceed. I have only 10 minutes. Let me proceed. So it has been established. And nothing you bomb as acceptance speech. And they say, we didn't accept 2012 election results. You accepted because at the end of the court process, you conceded. The man young to Musu among country and you who Musu mobile. If you NIA card as someone of Fabayan, Udi can say, Yantini and you didn't free. And I'm demonstrated to you, say KPMG audit, or more identify based on Form 1A as our for the year registration. 56,772 exact figure na me the amount my join online stories in natural easy for you free mu ekobo Supreme Court amane ama Supreme Court agesa ade na to aka say obi wo din fufuro bi wo wa omo de NHIS card na register ya fabra na yenyu free mu ntimi fa bi mai enti ehwo no me de aba there na oka fa won say oh uti in the west I say we were not very happy, all of us were not happy about the deletion. Now you say there more happiness, more emotions. Now there be argument, and also your argument. Say easy for you didn't free mu, and Supreme Court for G2, but we were not happy. So me one press conference in point PP for year and now one court action am year. Say you were not happy with the EC's compliance with that order. And then when I'm Attorney General, if you think the EC didn't do that, go and cite them for high crime. But we were not happy. Happiness near the casa. Then Justice Crab, then again, Minuya. Asemo aye can simple, it is so common sense I can say. Nipa openu krebia impose or MPP near obemu said the can about. Also person we trading. Ye trade down say yem peniso also obey and you go to trade. O de mrakwa o person we trading. I was a mrano 18 ma ho kwan na nipa 18 million o 18 years and above nyina no obunya akwanya twere mudi. Be card mienu eno na wo so obeje e de aye nyina so so obi ye Ghana ni no. Passport nipa 1.5 million pe ne will be omo 18 years and above. Ghana card nipa 6.5 million pe and it will be omo 18 years and above. 10 million aka actually more than 60% of women say card ni bi. And you say existing voters ID card and on that time will be a register including 2019 the year easy for year. Krata announcement omo ye ni. In fact 12 June 2019 na omo ye notice on ba limited registration last year ya Jimen say ya o card a waka so beje. Or say an old non-biometric voters ID card. na just say ukita voters ID card 2008 die ni bi na enye biometric ne kra Jimensa say fabra I will register you then asesa few months down the line card ya nipa 60 million wo bi card ya no na obi agitum say ye papa banks nyina agitum card ya ye de ato aba yi mu amamare ne by over 1 million votes o say menye na NIA for card a wo ka kire ye say unyusu for this year's voter registration because omunya nwie ye mu features am open ne kra na card no doesn't meet it no sa NIA card no eno de wo beje because NDC strongholds dodo na ni bi nti mo beje na mo de ama MPP for advantage ana minia mo san so say omo ni card ni bi no mo nko pe nipa mienu mo be di agina mu ma mo ka ba akokro mpo aka nipa mienu no so no a wo be di agina bu ama no so no omo ntimi ni agina mu ma nipa burudu ena mienu no so ma kire omo say apart from how complex and cumbersome slow the process is no omo card no ebe kita omo at the time those people no ma register no a fresh card a provisional card and a final process no co-adjudication ni duplication ni de keka ho they cannot use an invalid provisional card to guarantee for anybody you are going to create a constitutional and legal crisis untimi for argument bi am I also want to say fine you fancy because want to say am agia too because I mean ye nyina ye a different understanding of the issues so but won't you say no matter the argument no enye force because you agree now we raise the issue bi o say na say register no omo din wo mu nyina no eye papa to say the Samijan fee can dia adenti na ye duplication this is the first time I'm hearing this argument asresen oh it's very laughable let me show you why it is laughable asresen ko emoguo duplication no three doors bebre nyama mitimi dia ye no enye nyama ketwa fire the duplication kire say ye final register we are ye duplication enti it is neither here nor there the duplication they say ya kwa trading fufuro ye trading na ye the offline machines na trade DVDs no enye connected to any server or internet enti ye trade offline ye trade gusa offline equipment no so ye wi a na ye de akọ headquarters na aka ni nyina bum de agu CD-ROM so o just here enti because the system na connected on an online system ti no obi betima train di wo bantema no wako train di wo asokwa no wako train di wo forukrum so just here enti train ni wie sa na uni register a provisional register na wo ni ya bie ma exhibition ye exhibition ni wie a na omo ya challenge omo registration ye di asem no ne friend adjudication enumu no ene ye di friend duplication they say afa ye di data ni nyina kogu afidie so na afidie na kire say akwa we o register and the fingerprint of the register will be before na ye pe enti nipa kro na afidie ni nyina mfiri na afidie na delete because of fingerprint na ba mienu and aye den aba miensa your friend duplication you do that before you get the final register. It will final register anywhere. A dear woman in a woman back there cannot be duplication. It is not the case. But listen to this. It is not possible to have duplicates in a biometric register. It is scientifically impossible unless you don't do duplication. Because obia biometric data no it is a register during the duplication process no. That is preceding the final register. One will be deleted. Until the final register na duplicate yeni. So what's the duplicate for evidence bra? It is not easy for you. It is not okay for you to come and sit on TV and say and I did duplication will be deal with register mu abreni ho. You just say it on for evidence bra. So finally. Me say in 1 minute I come in 1 minute. Me the man who see on this point. Okay, I will respect your decision.
I mean, be on the phone line. 030221170124. Sure.
So we will conclude.
Obi abenya 2 minutes.
Okay.
Obi abenya 2 minutes.
Fantastic.
0302211701, 0302211702 sa 24. Friend afi fa adwen chebra. But before that, me promise you say you share how it looks like in Nigeria. So in Nigeria, each applicant shall appear in person at the registration venue with any of the following documents. 1, birth or baptismal certificate in Nigeria.
Or baptismal
certificate. 2, national passport, identity card or driver's license, or any other document.
Driver's license.
Or any other document that will prove the identity, age, and nationality of the applicant. In South Africa, applicants must have a green barcoded ID book. That's the first requirement. 2, or smart card ID or valid temporary certificate TIC. And that is how it looks like. Just
so
I'm not phone lines. Sule
is
my first call.
And they are rigging agenda.
Cephas, good morning.
Good morning. Jerry, Unim, sir, voter registration idea air course. Mijiti say you bet here NDC for kana. Make a valid point. You see, sometimes when you are defending lies, it is very difficult to defend lies. You could see from Samini presentation, he said he is saying the truth, and so he is flowing fluently. The lawyer on the other side, which knows that pen was just to convince people, but he is not being convincing enough. Mr. Dana Ying Nayaman, if you should send your baby and Yamata was assumed, Nasati and Uncle Fat is in Fuphobia, but some of us, I find say, Yangan Fukumuha, Yenisa, when I had the Beko, Romo, they should think about their own family because of which kind, any family now crap on a Simusia, or because of betting at your Marco. What the NDC is saying, I think we are making a very reasonable.
Okay, but I say first. Mami for Lukman, my next caller. Lukman Akwaba.
CJ, Yemia.
Mami Tio Lukman.
Me the message video mo ase ka kire mi amadam for some je fi wan kan kire no. Me say adentina woni lawyer mo mi enu nyina mo hye mass. Na sami jenfi mi amadam for mi mia mass yon be so be.
Family I must not wait because they are all protected. It is neither here nor there.
Na the American say easy sense we. Se wo be kaya sami jenfi yeah mire bi atwam 2016 sami jenfi anu dem. Ese isi fuono omudi omo yenya omo no omo nya omadwuma esi edu nketia beka bi former president Mahama so be ka say Ghana fo nyina say isi fuo de omo ho intine de ba de na asesa yenya omo no omo nya omadwuma na isi fuo ne ka say ne ye nyina nkonkotwere edin a minim se mini asame jefi nya de obekọ ye de ebekọ akotwere ne yakọ akoto aba no 2020 e de amakufu adu
but as Lukman mami fa probably be my last caller Baba Zame ebe my last caller Baba salamu alaikum
wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh eje mami nche ana ko mo agba adwuma pa mami nche lawyer bo abia asamo Baba Zame ni master plan junior kentampo best NDC for no hwe won say new voter register na be no Dana for mestre adeba kwa se mo hye no so ne se ta registration abe no card no enya abato nko na sabi e de be o na NDC for so mo ma na nye se coronavirus abanti me nko registration no mu ka se me nye da dansa na coronavirus ba o na mbi se ho se coronavirus aba no kra se koto aba na nipa dodo se na beto aba no na ye ko registration eno na e one day o abato no e one day ba omo ma register ni na be ko akoto na ye kwa registration na be several days na be na wo say ano dey be enya possible but one day na nipa dodo no kwato aba no dey be possible and this for mo ma break o mo ma easy no 2015 John Dramani Mahama former president I ka say easy no independent yenja no nya na adwuma na nde omo nya independent bi mana nti mo opposition na mo bodondo fuforo se mo ba power so na mo bodondo fuforo nti and this for the Ghana for ya hu omo pa 2020 his excellency na do dan kwa kofado adwuma pana adwuma din a wo bo no ene be hweto aba one kwanti
medase baba intimi for frefo bia bio honorable 2 minutes
oh yeah netre
IPAC a principle enye law making nti de mekan
maybe convention
principle say anko IPAC na nkyere se enye manka se o manko IPAC anko discuss emra wo ka se e ba parliament 8 days later samra no o ma twe san prensa e bai eme ye de koy e bai eme ye de koy ntom ko di hu nkomo ansan e ba last one na aye den o tibi ka se a whole state institution mu ye se mu nko IPAC na modi moni ato so na mu ye se mu nko e fi se register ya sem sha se fi last year mu aye madwen se mu ma IPAC nhye mu bia anyeye nti nya dia IPAC na nkasa no mu no na fa kwan paso nti afi de mu ka se gese IPAC e ka asem ansa na bedima be ye mrade a entwa yi nti mi ne man ka ne se meeting important bi de mi ka ne se IPAC as IPAC no enye mra e na ehye nti se bibi fa IPAC na nkyere se udimi fa mamra che bedwem a ye hye mra afi di duplication asem aye ka no And your final register. And so be said that no one did duplicate in the year. You will have names in the final register. Yeah, the final register, the court 2013. There were multiple names in it. There were names which were ghost names on it. And yet that register had been deduplicated. There were names which were multiple names on it with numbers. And yet that register had been deduplicated. In case deduplication, final register, na obiya nim kra. Register is why it has gone through several extra registrations over the years. Inti yen MPP4. We have consistently requested a brand new biometric register. Sebaya inconsistencies ne wo 2012 biometric register no. Ye be cure sa inconsistencies. Ya ka ho asem to 2016. 2016 no ye ma ye ni da ho. Enye register ne ma ye di nkunim. Ye ma ye ni da ho. And ye so mutwe e wo polling station. And ye di nkunim. Sa register no ye ni nye ho. Okay. And so ye nka say isi chinchina isi anyemo no a ekro no be hye. Okay. Say no ye need as one say isi ebeka a kire Ghana for say na me pese me ye. De isi for beka no en na yen MPP ye be gi atum. E say yenkunim die enyina register so. Yenkunim die gina adwuma pa omampanyi na nado danko akufa.
Thank you very much. Medase.
CJ.
Sami 2 minutes.
No kwasem ne say omampanyi akufa do ne isi for ayo madwen so bo be wi abanim te say de me sat na be di kan. Now it's because of Mampenyi ni na MPP aban we omadi omai Ghana for hwamo. Nti omunim say yakoto aba no mo makwan ma nipa dodo na atimi register to omo bedi ntwo. Because so won kwa ne aban o maba betina konwa so eku mfie na ya omunsi hospital ba kokora. Omunsi secondary school ba kokora. Omunye kwan papa bia de omo beto say na president ma me say ye school say ye hospital say ya kwan.
Over 1,000 structures.
And you more beto ye financial institutions, banks, microfinance, ye go more than 500. Ama nipa no mo be no man we na abom. And so they are afraid. Says so ma kwan say sa afo ni nyina register no mo to aba they will lose. And into no mo yes enya sa ka no abo ya abo abia pa asamoa oye MP e wa denta meboa. Nipa the voters ID card na to aba yin as MP. And so when they was say omo to aba use voters ID card to aba man na oye MP no. Omuntumi mfa sa voters ID card ne mma meka so mo ye Ghana fo. Omampenye Kufuado ya to aba man with voters ID card wa win by 1 million votes. Oti yakonwa so odi post. But was your omo de sa omo voters ID card to aba man. Omuntumi mfa the same voters ID card ne mma be di agine mu so mo ye Ghana fo. Eye nyina ya asem sebe. Ai paka asem wa woke mpenyufo se ye namba nu susu mfidi a ye namba su na ye den. Ehwe. Emra no CI91 ye no 2060 ye nyina na ye kabo mu ye nti se na wo de mra foforo okọ na wakoyi driver's license free wakoyi ID card free na wakwa kire mu a ade nti na wafa kuntunu ase na wonwa wo de akọ wamma ama ya anwe hu bi e kire adwenbo na ye wo utim finally minua me 2 minutes no so ya ka 1 wada ro ma ka 1 o de aka 1 so let me conclude be ma me fa ma no nsi e wada ro ma
in 5 seconds
ye de ya ka ne say Ghana, ye register na ye wono edimu ehote ye betime di ato abato ne da ye nim. And we will not allow this agenda to disenfranchise people. It will never happen.
Sensing this one, so Sami Jenfi has openly admitted that poverty is very high in Upper East and Upper West region, but they left them in poverty for 8 years and did nothing to solve it. And also the above. Overforce, Kwejo Abuaji, or say there are still millions of Ghanaians who registered the voter ID card with the NIA cards. There is no argument about this. The new voter is a must. The NDC can choose to boycott the registration because they are fond of doing boycotting good things in the country. Voting is not compulsory, but it's a right. From Frankfurt, Germany, and also so there. No, but Mamenda, lawyer Yabwabin Asamoah, MPP Communication Director, and a lawyer Sami Jenfi, or National Communication Officer of the NDC. Meeting at the CJ Forcing. In fact, Mamenda production team must say, led by Ra AC Mahene, Joshua Tigo, Welbeck, Kofi Ampe, the team, I'm a cameraman, control room, sound, Ajingo, Medasepa, meeting the CJ Forcing. Nnawotwe. And when I'm facing, I'm at more China 5 p.m. Yeah, the coronavirus and matters arising. Yeah, the Bebrel as always. I mean, count. Yeah, what I said.